Thank you. Entry number 36, Cartili State University from Goa, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 37, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur. Principal, Dr. Alberto N. Laperi, Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Monica A. Dirilos. Correct O, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel
Lex, twirl ka. Magpa-twirl ka. Twirl na lang.
Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joyce A. Lantaya. Chorus 2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Saiji G. Marmol. Chorus 3, Cadet Major Arnulfo R. Azuel. Chorus 4, Cadet Master Sergeant Feliz Mary Melgar. Chorus 7, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mary Joy B. Pepe. Majorette Leader, Alexandria Cesar. Band Leader, John Audrey Elgan. Company Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel J.R.M. Bazar. Company Expo, Cadet First Lieutenant John Wayne M. Nieto. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jeffrey A. Miranda. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jane Doctor. Majorette Trainer, Herbert Boala. Band Master Trainer, Licario P. Villamer Jr. SD number 37, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 37, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur.